The Toyota Proace II 2017 present houses its primary fuse box in the engine compartment. This video will guide you to its location and explain its function. Understanding this is crucial for basic troubleshooting and maintenance of your vehicle's electrical system. As of 2026, the location remains consistent across models, even with minor updates to electrical systems. To locate the fuse box in your Toyota Proace II, start by opening the hood. The fuse box is situated on the left side of the engine compartment. It's positioned near the battery and the firewall for easy access. The fuse box is covered by a plastic enclosure that's secured by clips. No tools are typically required to access it, as the cover simply unclips. The fuse box contains fuses and relays that protect your vehicle's electrical circuits from overloads and short circuits. It distributes power from the battery to essential engine-related systems like ignition, fuel injection, and cooling. A diagram on the cover or in your owner's manual indicates the function of each fuse. To access the fuses in the Toyota Proace II, simply unclip and remove the plastic cover of the fuse box. Inside the fuse box, you'll find blade-type fuses with various amperage ratings ranging from 5x to 40s. These are color-coded to indicate their current capacity. Always refer to the fuse chart, which shows the layout and identifies each fuse by its circuit function to correctly identify and replace the right fuse. Knowing the location of the fuse box can assist with diagnosing issues. A blown fuse often indicates an overload or short circuit in that specific system. Replacing the fuse is a quick fix, but it's important to diagnose the underlying cause to prevent recurrence and further damage. Imagine your Proace II won't start. Checking the fuse box reveals a blown fuse for the fuel pump relay. Replacing it resolves the issue, demonstrating the fuse box's role in quick diagnostics and repair. According to a 2023 mechanic forum, this is a common issue. The current Proace II fuse box design remains traditional, but automotive trends are evolving towards smarter systems. Currently, the Proace II uses traditional fuse boxes with blade fuses and relays for basic electrical protection. Future trends include smart fuse boxes with built-in diagnostics that alert drivers to issues via the dashboard. Especially for hybrid and electric variants, future models may use high-voltage distribution units. These will incorporate solid-state fuses, offering better efficiency, safety, and potentially reducing electrical issues by 15 to 25% by 2030. Experts consider the Proace II's fuse box placement efficient and accessible. Regular inspection, especially in humid climates, is crucial to prevent corrosion and ensure optimal performance. Always consult your owner's manual for specific fuse assignments and safety precautions. This concludes our guide to the Toyota Proace II fuse box location and maintenance.